What if I told you ChatGPT isn't really free? In fact, it's one of the most expensive products ever created. Every question you ask costs real money to answer, so if millions of people are using it for free, who's paying the bill? Today, we're uncovering the hidden business model behind OpenAI and how they're trying to build a company worth hundreds of billions of dollars. Artificial intelligence isn't magic. Every response ChatGPT gives requires enormous computing power. Behind the scenes, thousands of high-performance NVIDIA GPUs process your request in seconds. Those data centers consume huge amounts of electricity and require constant maintenance. Industry analysts estimate that operating advanced AI systems cost millions of dollars every day. So here's the question. How can OpenAI afford to let millions of people use ChatGPT for free while spending so much money? Most people assume the $20 ChatGPT Plus subscription is the answer. It definitely helps. But subscriptions alone aren't enough to finance an AI infrastructure operating at this scale. The real business is happening behind the scenes. The first pillar is OpenAI's API. Instead of only selling ChatGPT, OpenAI sells the intelligence behind it. Developers pay every time their applications use OpenAI's models. Services like Duolingo, Khan Academy, and thousands of startups integrate these AI capabilities into their own products. OpenAI isn't just building an app. They're building the engine that powers countless other apps. It's becoming the Intel Inside of the AI era. The second pillar is enterprise customers. Large organizations don't just need a chatbot. They need security, privacy, compliance, and custom AI systems connected to their internal data. That's why businesses are willing to pay significantly more for enterprise AI solutions than individual consumers ever would. This is where some of the biggest revenue opportunities exist. The third pillar is the ecosystem. Microsoft isn't simply an investor. It provides much of the computing infrastructure that powers OpenAI's services through Azure. In return, Microsoft integrates OpenAI's technology into products like Microsoft 365, Copilot, Windows, and Azure AI services. It's a partnership where both companies become stronger as AI adoption grows. So what is OpenAI really trying to build? It's not just another chatbot company. The bigger goal is to become the intelligence layer powering software, businesses, and eventually much of the internet. That means accepting huge costs today in exchange for long-term influence and infrastructure dominance tomorrow. The question is, will OpenAI become the next technology giant? Or will the enormous cost of AI make that dream impossible? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoy breaking down the hidden economics behind today's biggest companies,